Which Tissot watch is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to look deeper to find the right one for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 options that stand out from the rest. Product number 1, Tissot T Classic. The Tissot T Classic, priced around $400. The sleek design and elegant finish immediately caught my attention. If you want a timepiece that combines style with Swiss craftsmanship, this is worth a serious look. This watch features a stainless steel case and a beautiful silver tone dial, making it perfect for both formal and casual settings. The automatic movement means it winds itself as you wear it, providing you with that reliability you need. Plus, it has a water resistance of up to 30 meters, so a little splash won't hurt it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You won't have to worry about it stopping on you when you forget to wind it, and the water resistance gives you peace of mind during everyday activities. However, some users mention that the band can feel slightly stiff at first. Now, some people complained about this stiffness, but here's the thing. It usually loosens up after a few wears, and if you prefer a more flexible band, you can always switch it out. This is perfect for you if you appreciate classic styling and reliable performance. Skip this one if you're looking for something more sporty or modern. For the price, you get a high-quality watch that's built to last. Now, if the T Classic stiffness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tissot PR100. Let's check out the Tissot PR100, retailing around $350. The first thing that struck me was its versatility. It looks good dressed up or down. If you want a watch that can transition seamlessly from the office to dinner, this is definitely worth considering. The PR100 features a quartz movement with a striking blue dial and luminous hands, allowing for excellent visibility in low light. It's also water resistant up to 100 meters, which is great for anyone who enjoys water sports or just wants a watch that can handle a splash. Here's why this matters. You can wear it without worrying about taking it off for a swim or shower. However, some users have pointed out that the mineral crystal can scratch more easily than sapphire glass. Now, while that's a valid concern, keep in mind that you can always invest in a screen protector if that's a deal breaker for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish watch that can handle daily wear and occasional water exposure. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra durable. For the value, you're getting a lot of watch for your money. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who love a classic twist. Product number 3, Tissot Everytime. The Tissot Everytime with a price tag of about $250. This watch has a minimalist vibe that really caught my eye. If you want something sleek and simple, this is worth taking a close look at. The Everytime features a clean dial with stick indices and a stainless steel case, keeping things classy and understated. The quartz movement is dependable, and it's water resistant up to 30 meters. This means you can wear it without worrying about damaging it in the rain. Here's why this matters. If you're someone who likes a watch that can be worn every day without drawing too much attention, this is a great choice. Some users have mentioned that the band feels a bit flimsy. Now, while that's true for some, it's also super lightweight, which many find comfortable, so it really depends on what you prefer. This is perfect for you if you appreciate minimalist design and want an everyday watch. Skip this one if you're after something more flashy. Overall, for the price, it's a fantastic everyday option. Now, if the Everytime simplicity wasn't your style, the next one might intrigue you even more. Product number 4, Tissot C-Star 1000. The Tissot C-Star 1000, coming in at around $650. This is a serious dive watch that looks the part. If you're into diving or just want a robust watch, this one is definitely worth a look. This watch features a striking blue dial and a unidirectional bezel designed for underwater conditions. With a water resistance of 300 meters, you can dive confidently without worrying about your watch. The Swiss automatic movement adds reliability you can count on. Here's why this matters. If you're an adventurer or an avid diver, this watch won't let you down. However, some wearers have pointed out that it can be a bit bulky for everyday wear. Now, that might be true, but if you're looking for durability and functionality, you'll appreciate the extra heft. This is perfect for you if you need a watch that can withstand the rigors of diving and outdoor adventures. Skip this if you prefer a lighter, more casual watch. For the price, you're investing in a high-performance timepiece that's built to last. Finally, if the C-Star's bulkiness doesn't appeal to you, wait until you see my last pick. Product number 5, Tissot Gentleman. We have the Tissot Gentleman, priced at around $575. The The first impression? It's classy with a modern twist. If you want a watch that exudes sophistication, this is worth your attention. This watch features a stunning sunburst style and a reliable automatic movement, making it both stylish and functional. It's water-resistant to 100 meters and has a date function, which adds to its practicality. The stainless steel bracelet completes the look beautifully. Here's why this matters. Whether you're heading to a business meeting or a dinner date, this watch will complement your outfit perfectly. Some customers have mentioned that it can be hard to adjust the bracelet size. Now, while that might be a hassle for some, it's a minor issue compared to the quality and design you're getting. This is perfect for you if you want a watch that makes a statement without being over the top. Skip this if you're looking for something casual. Honestly, for the quality and aesthetics, it's a solid investment. To wrap it all up, each of these Tissot watches brings something unique to the table, whether you're after elegance, adventure, or everyday simplicity. So there you have it, the top 5 Tissot watches, each catering to different styles and needs. From the classic T-Classic to the adventurous C-Star 1000, there's a watch for everyone. Remember to choose based on what fits your lifestyle best, and you won't go wrong with any of these options.